there's a Jefferies note that has come out which says that the government has notified a sharp rise in excise duty for cigarettes, this is for a period of compensation. Says the period of compensation is now about to end. This is going to be over and above the GST that we've been talking about. There's still a lot unknowns, but the calculations suggest that tax hike could be over 30%. If NCCD continues, in the event of NCCD, the impact should be well about 20%. They're saying that while they're unsure of the final outcome, if confirmed, this will be clear negative in terms of volumes that I mentioned earlier as well. And overall, that will be impacted. Concerns should re-emerge in terms of risk of losing some volumes in the illicit industry as well. So overall, in terms of where the legal trading of all these tobacco products and cigarette products happens, volumes might be under pressure. And if they don't pass on the entire cost, margins will also be under pressure. They're also noting that the revised GST rate was recently revised to 40%. And that will have a cascading impact on ITC, which takes up the cigarette price hikes. Basis their understanding, ITC may take up prices at least by 15% to pass on the overall impact to the consumer, if not higher. So remaining, above that 15% mark, if they don't transfer, that will overall have an impact on their margins. And this we'll have to see as to how this pans out, because overall Q3 onwards or Q4 onwards is when we'll start seeing the impact in terms of volumes as well as margins. So we'll have to take care of how earnings pan out for ITC in terms of Q3 and Q4.